Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you fix payment error on eBay app. If you want to fix the payment error in the eBay app, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Sometimes the issue might occur due to the internet or poor connectivity as well. Now then, what next you want to do is make sure to go ahead and open up your eBay application and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, then you could also go ahead and make sure to check your credit card details or your payment method. So go to my eBay section, and here when you go to your profile, and here when you go to this section, my eBay, here you could find out the payment list. So what you could do is, in order to fix it, so first of all you could go ahead and make sure to double check the information that you've entered and see whether the information seems to be correct or not. If not, you could try replacing it or changing it and see whether it works or not. If that doesn't help out, then you could also make sure to change the payments method. Maybe you could switch over to a different payment section, maybe bank account or maybe credit card, debit card, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, you could also go ahead and make sure to contact the branch directly or the credit card issuer, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. And you could also find out the reason behind the issue as well. Now similarly, if that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also go ahead and make sure to check some of these necessary or some of these alternative steps, such as you could go ahead and make sure to long press onto the eBay application, go to this app info section, and make sure to clear cache and clear data as well. However, these are not a guarantee solution, but sometimes it might be helpful. So try doing this, and after which you could actually go and force stop the application, and then you want to go ahead and exit out of this page and go to the Play Store and try checking for an update. So here you want to type in eBay and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. Now, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could directly go ahead and contact the eBay support. So for that, open up a browser, or you could actually go ahead and make sure to use the eBay application itself. And here you want to make sure to click on my eBay once again, and then you want to go to help. After which you want to go ahead and mention the issue that you're facing, and they should be able to help you out to provide with the solution. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next